Furious Cars. Subscribe now.
Best pickup trucks. Pickup trucks are some of the best-selling vehicles today. The traditional work vehicles have open beds to carry payload, and often come with four-wheel drive and high towing and payload capacities. Here are the 10 best pickup trucks so far by Furious Cars. Number 10. 2018 Nissan Frontier. The 2018 Nissan Frontier is a good, basic truck, but there are far more modern options for not too much more. Expert rating 4.0. MSRP from $18,990. Number 9. 2018 Nissan Titan. The 2018 Nissan Titan and Titan XT fill in the gaps left by others with a reasonable price, reasonable performance, and better warranty. Expert rating 5.5. MSRP from $30,030. Number 8. 2018 Toyota Tacoma. The 2018 Toyota Tacoma is a mid-size pickup with the right-sized attitude. It's nimble off-road, capable, and just enough truck for many buyers. Expert rating 5.8. MSRP from $25,200. Number 7. 2018 GMC Canyon. The 2018 GMC Canyon is a solid, highly recommended choice among mid-size pickups for its terrific powertrains, comfortable interior, and refined demeanor. Expert rating 6.0. MSRP from $21,100. Number 6. 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. The 2018 Chevrolet Colorado can be whatever you need it to be: in-town runabout, suburban slogger, or off-road racing champion. Expert rating 6.0. MSRP from $20,200. Number 5. 2018 Ram 1500. The swagger-heavy 2018 Ram 1500 is the coolest pickup around, even if competitors have eclipsed it in some ways. Expert rating 6.2. MSRP from $27,095. Number 4. 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. The 2018 GMC Sierra is a rugged, handsome full-size pickup certainly worthy of your attention. Expert rating 6.7. MSRP from $29,000. Number 3. 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The suave 2018 Chevrolet Silverado does nearly all things well, even if it's not a huge standout in one way or another. Expert rating 6.7. MSRP from $28,300. Number 2. 2018 Ford F-150. The 2018 Ford F-150 sports new looks and a wider availability for a 10-speed automatic transmission. A turbodiesel is in the works for this model year, albeit later in 2018. Expert rating 7.2. MSRP from $27,610. Number 1. 2018 Honda Ridgeline. The 2018 Honda Ridgeline is the most comfortable truck you can drive today. It has the capability that many casual buyers want, but it's not the choice for heavy-duty users. Expert rating: 7.5. MSRP from $29,730.